Sorry, off to a great start. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Been a minute. That's because of this lovely thing called depression. I'm taking a break because I honestly just haven't really felt pretty or anything here lately. I've been feeling very insecure and self-conscious, and I think that that is just mainly due to like the depression and like the BPD and like all that stuff. So I can't just let everything overwhelm me, which I have been kind of letting it do on top of getting adjusted to a new school semester. So I had taken a bit of a big break so I could help focus my attention on helping Dundra in his stream, and that is a fun time. I highly recommend you guys go and watch. He streams Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 3 p.m. And I'm usually on there chatting and stuff and being stupid and silly, and it's a fun time. We've made quite a few friends. Anyway, let's get on to what this video is about. A few weeks ago, ColourPop had announced a restock, and I was super excited because I noticed that something very particular was coming back. I bought the whole collection, so I wanted to wait until I was on video to try this stuff out. And before you say anything, if you see my extensions, no you don't. I'm not wearing any. My hair just grew really fucking fast, okay? Don't at me. I don't know if you guys know, but I am a huge fan of Kristi. Like, I have followed her for a long time. I think maybe since 2014. I first saw her in one of Mikey Glenn and Gore's videos, and I was like, oh, she seems really cute and sweet. And then I checked out her channel and I was like, she's crazy. But I mean, if you haven't noticed, 2020 was really your year, bitch. She had 2 collabs, one with Pure Cosmetics and then another with ColourPop. She got pregnant and then had a baby after struggling with infertility. I'm so happy for you. I'm gonna quit fangirling now. I'm such like a RawBeautyKristi fan. Like, oh my god, I love her so much. Like, don't punch me. I'm in a really good mood. Whenever I start to film again, once I haven't in a while, I forget how much that I love to do it. It's so much fun. But then that mean old depression kicks in, and it's just like, you hate doing anything except being sad. Kristi's collection came with a palette. This is an At First Sight palette. You open it up, and it has 12 beautiful shades in here. Okay, this black, I'm so pumped to use it. I'll put a swatch in, I guess here, like the swatches that I did. The names are Puffball, Chanterelle, Rainier, Old Growth, Evergreen, West Coast, Homegrown, Amanita, Kristi, don't hate me if I'm mispronouncing that, Fiddlehead, Emerald City, Pacific Northwest, and Let It Rain. And then it comes with 4 Super Shock shadows. Now they are all in the Ultra Glitter finish, so they're almost more like toppers. I do have some video footage of the swatches, which I will put in just a moment. But this one is Olympic. It's so beautiful. And then we have Mycelium. This one is a little bit darker than Olympic. This is Mycelium. Isn't it just, oh gosh. I don't know if the camera is even picking up how lovely these are. This one is my second favorite, Campfire. This one is my very first favorite. This one is called Like a Moss. How beautiful. Oh, I love it. Kristi, you did such a good job on these, my friend. I'm so desperate. Senpai, notice me! The collection comes with 3 cream gel liners, and this one is called Marigold. Look on it. Look on it. There we go. There you go. I also have swatches for these in case these just turn off. The next one is called Woodsy. There we go. Let me act like I'm just gonna punch a camera. Just psh. My favorite is Spare Time. The name for this one just gets me because like I adore little puns. And this is Spare Time. It also came with 2 luxe glosses. This one is called Wildflower. This one is definitely a more everyday type wear for me because like the glitter isn't like super insane, and it's just a really pretty neutral type color. And then this one I love because it's super sparkly. And this one is called Glacier. So right now I think I'm just going to recreate one of the looks that Kristi did for the campaign shoot. So let's dive in and see what this palette is like. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit. Yeah, just a little, because I don't want you too close to my face because I don't know you like that. But I'm sure you're a good person, but like, don't get in my face. Okay, so I'm going to prime my eyes with a little bit of Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte. It's my favorite concealer that I've ever tried. So I think she started with Chanterelle, that really beautiful mustardy color, just up along here. And no, my brush isn't dirty, it's just stained. On a fluffy brush, I think I'm just going to use the Morphe M433 brush. Looking good so far. These shades are actually like pretty pigmented. I know it may not look like it, but I'm really not taking a lot on the brush and I'm tapping a lot of it off. And then on a smaller brush, I'm going to take Fiddlehead. That's the color that she used next in her tutorial. I'm actually going to take a Morphe M506 and still with Fiddlehead. Just place this in the outer areas. Now I am not very good halo eyes, but that's what she did for the shoot. You probably can't tell that well on camera, but this is just blended beautifully. Hello.
We'll set up the server for, oh, pretty.
A wild dunder appears.
I am here.
I've noticed in like almost all of my recent videos, you have made an appearance in some way, shape, or form.
That's funny. The same can be said about my streams.
Well, babe, I do have to say, like, I am absolutely loving the shadows so far.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I made it myself.
Good job.
Kristi, you're the best. We love you.
Yeah, my fiance actually watches her a lot, too. Watches with me, anyway. No, but I'm honestly, like, even with all this blending and everything that I've done so far, like, I've had little to no fallout. I'm really happy with it.
Alright, I'm taking off. Love you all. Like and subscribe.
Next, on that same Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to take Puffball, which is this one right here. I'm going to dip into that, and I'm going to go over where Fiddlehead and Chanterelle meet and try to get that a little bit more dimension. I'm trying to work in small amounts, that way it doesn't get like crazy looking. Going back in with Chanterelle just to drag it up a little bit higher because I don't want it to get lost, because I really love that mustardy shade. It's so beautiful. Kristi, oh my god, love you and your shadows. They're just the bomb.com, and I'm old. I'm feeling myself this video. Next, I believe she took Emerald City, which is this on a Morphe M124 brush, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of where we had placed Fiddlehead previously, just to give it some more depth. She said like she wanted it a little bit less olivey right here for this look, which, oh my god, I agree. Tapping this into place. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Fiddlehead, just to bring a little bit of that olive tone back out on the sides. Okay, gonna go back in with a little bit of Puffball. A little bit more Chanterelle. Pretty sure what she did next is take this beautiful shimmer right here. It's called Evergreen, and put it in the center. So that's what we're gonna do. I think she tapped it in. We'll try it. Why not? Fuck it. Oh, man. Oh. I'm feeling attacked in like the best way possible. I'm feeling attacked. The only kind of fallout I've had is just a little bit of glitter on my face, really. Like, I don't think I've had, like, here. That's how much I trust it. Yeah, there's just glitter, which I'm fine with. I'm a Leo. Come on. And I think what she said next was she took like a Mars, baby, and tapped it over top. So, here we go. Oh my god, I just want to bathe in the shade. It's so beautiful. It just gives like so much glitter. It just gives so much glitter. So I'm going to finish my face makeup and then we will be back to finish the eyes. Okay, and we're back. So I just did my eyebrows. I used the Kylie Cosmetics Dream of Diamonds highlighter. I did my contour with Benefit's Hoola bronzer. And the blush that I used, even though you probably can't even really tell that I used any, is Dazzled by Tarte. We are going to finish off the eyes and then choose a lip color and then we will be finished. What she did was she took Puffball and Chanterelle and dragged them down here. I'm taking Chanterelle on that Morphe M506 blending brush I had used before. Just bringing it really far down like she did. Doing the same thing over here. We're going to take Puffball on the Morphe M431 brush, this little pencil type brush, then go into the lower lash line. Just bring it down and blend it into Chanterelle. I think I'm going to go back in with Emerald City a little bit and pull it out a little bit more. May also bring Fiddlehead back up a little bit because it's starting to look pretty yellow. Bring Fiddlehead back up a bit. Then on this little brush, it is actually like a Coastal Scents brush, and I'm not even sure if they make makeup brushes or anything anymore. I am going to take a little bit of Fiddlehead. I'm not sure if she did this or not. I can't remember if I already said that. But I'm going to take Fiddlehead and run it along my lower lash line too, as close as I can get it to my lashes. But I'm going to leave a space in the center. Next, we are going to take Evergreen again, that shimmery shade that we laid down first here, and tap it right in the middle. Makeup faces. So next is going to be liner and lashes. I think I'm going to do what she did and use the Spare Time cream gel liner, the beautiful green one. Ooh, I love that. I think I am going to tightline with black though. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Urban Decay Perversion liner and tightlining. Next, lashes. For this, I'm going to use the Glamnetic Verified lashes. These are magnetic lashes, and I have only used these I think once before to see what they were like. Let's put them on. So my look isn't going to be exactly like hers because I actually do want some liner up top because I just feel like my eyes look weird if I don't have liner up top. That's a me thing. Right here I am just using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara bottom lashes. So next we're going to take the Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner. Just do a line. Alright, she cute, you know. So, we think, ignore the little dots, okay? Like, just trying to live my life. Okay, and then lips. I dig it. For the glosses, I'm going to use, for this look, I'm going to use the Glacier gloss. Because I think it is just stunning. There we go. So here's the finished look. So do you guys like it? What do you think? What is this? What is that? Oh, this smells super pimple. I have to say, I love the shadows. I think that they're all so super duper beautiful. I adore them. Kristi, you did amazing. Congratulations on everything that you've accomplished in this past year. But yeah, Kristi's my real dad, and I'm trying to get back into YouTube because self-sabotage queen right here, baby. Right here. And I'm trying to avoid that because I really do enjoy this, and I have a cute little, well, I mean, not cute. I have a setup going. I mean, this is cute. I got her at Walmart. She adorable. She my new bestie. Love you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it is watchable. I hope you guys like the look. I mean, I adore it. Like, I followed her steps, and I really love it. So yeah, and ignore my horrible extensions as always, because I'm just trying to girl here. I'm dating myself. Oh my god. I'm 27, okay? I know. Don't laugh at me too hard. Alright, I'm gonna go take some cute pictures. And yeah, if you like this, like and subscribe. Makeup and History will be coming back soon, I promise you. I just really was excited to try all this stuff out, and I didn't want to try it until I had done a video. So, well, I wanted to wait to try it until I had done a video. I still can't talk. It doesn't matter what I'm trying to do, whether it's read a script or just try to fucking talk. Oh, by the way, I got this top from ThredUp in the Forever 21 section, just so you know. In case anybody asks, because people have been asking me where I got this top whenever I wear it out. So, let me show you real quick. I am wearing sweatpants. So I got this cute little cami just from Walmart. It's just like a basic cami, see, like basic. And yeah, it's just like a little fishnet shirt. It's really cute. I love it. So expect to see it in videos and probably Instagram posts because I wear it all the time. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. So I love you.